this was In the Hall of the Mountain King by Edvard Grieg.
And the student is?
Me. I am Suchay. And my teacher is Miss Ritter, who is there, over there. Yeah.
Okay, now try to do some more improvisation and we'll see how it goes. Another one.
Okay. Like of this song? Or?
No, you said you have something else.
Oh, that? Okay. Okay. It was from Transformers Dark of the Moon.
It was pretty dark. Okay. Hello, everyone. Yes. Okay, now we're going to play your In the Hall of the Mountain King together. I'm going to play my accompaniment part. We'll see how it goes.
From Lessons book.
Yeah, it's Lessons, book number 3 by Hall Leonard. So now we try follow what is written. Right? So we would not look. No more improvisation. Okay. Are we ready? 2, right, stop. Yeah. Okay, and before we finish our recording session, I have we cannot read this because it is in Russian. Chopin Prelude, Opus.
You can borrow the piano.
Oh, right, I can borrow it, exactly. I was going to play that piano, but I can. Opus 28, Chopin. Okay, my fingers, my hands, your face. Kind of dramatic piece. After I play, I want you to give me some what you imagine.
Comments
About what Chopin might mean by composing this piece.
So I felt like most of the song was like a ballerina, basically, but then at the end it's like these two people like each other, but then they break up. Like they don't like each other anymore. So it's like a sad.
Something sad. So first was happy and after it become like sad.
Like,
you know what? Let me read here some
based on the keys.
Comments about that. Ты said, окей, давайте попробуем вообразить такую фантастическую картину. Некая сверхъестественная сила перенесла нас во времена Фредерика Шопена. Let's imagine some kind of magic power brought us to Chopin's time. Ну, к примеру, в Париж. For example, in Paris, France.
Okay.
И вручила нам пригласительный билет на концерт знаменитейшего композитора и пианиста в одном из великосветских салонов. And this magical power gave us the tickets to the concert of this famous, brilliant composer and pianist in the one of the very famous venue salon. It's like only rich and very noble people could go there. Мало того, эта сила забросила нас под полотно затворенной двери комнаты, где Шопен репетирует перед концертом. So besides we like going to this concert, we are end up behind the door where Chopin is practicing. Doors are closed, but he's practicing before the recital. Вы попробовали когда-нибудь представить, как он репетировал? Did you ever try to imagine how he was practicing? Проигрывал свои сочинения, которые предстояло исполнять, или играл особые или им же придуманные упражнения для того, чтобы получалось тот самый, почти нереальный, наполненный тысячами красок одновременно парящий звук. Do you think he was practice his own compositions, or maybe he was practiced those what he supposed to perform, or maybe he was practice his own exercises for the reason to get the practice work for his performers, like with this beautiful magical sound, almost like not real, with like 100 million different colors. So what do you think? The answer is no. Исполняя на концертах только свою музыку, готовясь к концам, он играл Баха, всегда только Баха. Wow. When he practiced for the recital, just going to the stage and play his own music, he practiced only and only one composer. Who was that composer?
Bach.
Bach, you're right. He was only Bach. He played only Bach. And смею надеяться, что я что-то понимаю в его музыке. I can only hope that I understand something in Bach's music. Писал Шопен в ту пору, когда отодвинутые все свои планы, работал над уникальным парижским изданием клавирных сочинений Баха. He wrote like, I hope I understand something in his music when he was worked on edition of the Bach's pieces. Wow, he was also editor for Bach's pieces. Быть может, тогда и к нему пришла идея создания цикла прелюдий, как и у Баха, проходящего весь круг мажорных и минорных тональностей, как и у Баха, открывающего нам невидимые и неведомые миры. So maybe in that time, this brilliant idea also crossed his mind. He wants to be like Bach. He wants to compose these preludes in each single key, like C major, C minor, C sharp major, C sharp minor, from each key. Okay, now this was prelude in La minor, Mi minor, what I played, E minor, E minor prelude. It's wow, one of the most tragic preludes.
I said it was sad.
You said it was sad. Started kind of. Guess what? Этой музыке суждено было звучать в тот день, когда в Париже хоронили Шопена. Okay, I'm gonna give you some hint, maybe you can guess. This music was played when the most funeral happens.
The what now?
What funeral was for? What kind of composer funeral it was?
Chopin
Exactly.
himself.
So for his own funerals, maybe he requested, maybe. So, yeah, tragic thing. Bye. You need to say the conclusion speech. Conclusion speech.
Conclusion.
Conclusion, everyone.